Yes, sir, we promised you a great main event tonight.
Andre of China.
WrestleMania!
Hulkamania is running wild.
My God, what a
Eh bien salut à tous, vous êtes dans Storybook, je suis Illumas. Nous sommes là pour Evolution 2. Alors c'est quoi Storybook? C'est un show que j'écris, que je raconte moi-même à l'aide de vidéos du jeu ou d'images de la vie réelle, de la WWE. Puisque Storybook est consacré majoritairement à la WWE. Les résultats des shows hebdomadaires qui ont eu lieu avant Evolution 2 sont dans la description, donc allez les voir parce qu'ils n'ont pas été diffusés sur la chaîne, donc c'est important pour bien comprendre Evolution 2 et les deux pay-per-view qui vont suivre, qui sont NXT TakeOver Toronto 2 et SummerSlam 2019. Donc n'hésitez pas à liker, à partager, à parler, parlez-en autour de vous les amis, ça ferait extrêmement plaisir. Et surtout, merci à ceux qui regardent Storybook, merci encore à vous. Et donc là, sans plus attendre, c'est parti, Storybook Evolution 2, let's go.
Look who's here! Time for a little twin magic.
Et on commence très mal ce show puisque les Bella Twins arrivent vers le ring, même sur le ring. Elles ouvrent donc le show, donc elles n'étaient pas du tout prévues au programme. Elle nous dit qu'elles n'ont eu aucune opportunité en fait depuis qu'elles sont de retour à la WWE et elles comptent bien en avoir une ce soir. Paige arrive alors et dit que les Bella Twins sont la honte du catch féminin et ce soir elles vont payer pour ce qu'elles ont fait subir aux fans pendant des années.
Look who's here! Be still my beating heart. Mandy Rose, God's greatest creation, and the rest of Absolution are here. Bright future, Byron, for these three ladies as part of Absolution.
Oh, absolutely. As a superstar, you always want to set yourself up for success. And no matter how you feel about Absolution, Mandy Rose and Sonya Deville have set themselves up for success by having an incredible mentor and leader like Paige.
It's not often I agree with you, Byron, but you are absolutely accurate in your assessment.
Superstars are about to put on a clinic in tag team.
Ooh!
Here, Cole, but despite that, now is probably WWE. Pull that.
Oh, an elbow drop.
Suplex became very familiar with one another. In June of 2017, the teams met in a 2 out of 3 falls battle.
Oh, man, what a boot of sorts throughout the 90s format. Cesaro and Sheamus didn't waste any time to score.
The match broke down, and the third fall was a mixed tag team match.
Long in the making. Boom, what impact. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Oh, what a clothesline. Oh, man.
Miz and Maurice mocked and parodied Nikki Bella and John Cena for weeks.
Another. She goes for the cover. This one's far from over.
Andy.
Double underhook applied. Up and face buster.
I can't believe it, Michael.
Mandy Rose has the shoulders down her. Look at Sonya Deville. Nikki Bella with a nice reversal. Almost just there it is. She's made the tag.
And her partner is on absolute fire right now.
And steam here. You can look at Sonya Deville.
You gotta think that will end Bree's night here.
What? Look out! She might just be running.
Becky Lynch squared off against welcoming committee members Natalya and Carmella. The rivalry between these women got so intense that Naomi was in Flair and Lynch's corner, and Tamina was in Natalya and Carmella's corner. Oh man, she's rolling now.
Man.
Look at her go.
Look at Sonya Deville. Oh!
That's it.
And Corey, she releases the hold.
Looks like a questionable decision on paper, but
Beautiful technique.
you gotta think that will. There have been times in sports entertainment when unlikely duos have formed and over time they develop.
On retrouve, après cette victoire d'Absolution, on retrouve donc Candice LeRae avec ses amis Lacey Evans et Dakota Kai, hein, qui dans Storybook sont tous les trois face, son copine, voilà. Et en fait, ce soir, hein, c'est la finale du Mae Young Classic numéro 3. Nous aurons Lacey Evans contre Dakota Kai. Là, celle qui va gagner hein, aura une chance pour un des titres d'NXT, donc celui-là de UK ou celui-là d'NXT. Candice LeRae souhaite bonne chance à Lacey Evans et Dakota Kai. Elle dit qu'elle espère qu'elles resteront toutes les trois de bonnes amies. Peu importe ce qui se passera, les trois se font un câlin collectif. Et c'est parti pour le prochain match qui sera tout simplement Toni Storm contre Rhea Ripley, qui est la championne de UK, invaincue. Elle est toujours championne depuis le début, donc personne ne l'a battue. C'est la seule championne de UK dans Storybook. Il n'y a pas eu vraiment de grosse histoire entre les deux à NXT. Peut-être ce soir, ce sera le début d'un nouveau chapitre entre les deux.
And Michael, it sounds to me like this crowd already picked the one who they want to win this match.
One-on-one action.
This is the match I've been waiting for, guys. Ever since it was announced, I've been looking forward to seeing these two clash.
Potential to be moments away.
I've been looking forward to this one for quite some time.
Oh, the old European uppercut. Severe going for the cover. And the champ kick. Uh-oh.
Dominating.
What's this gonna be? Wheelbarrow. Flapjack. I'll tell you what.
So much more punishment than this.
This is a treacherous match. Big move coming. Wait for it. Coming schoolboy. The champion into the cover. And that was only a one. Uh-oh, pump handle applied. What's coming next? Nelson.
And there are enough weapons under the ring.
Whack. To steel chairs to fire extinguishers. If you can think.
Some might consider just getting a title opportunity as a success, but I assure you, this superstar will settle for nothing less.
You can see the confidence just beaming from her right now. Oh, nasty. She got her with a reversal. She's looking at harsh impact. Whoa! What impact? Two! Kick out at two. Oh, that may have been a slow count. Oh, what a tap! Nailed it. Look at the look in her eyes. She's in the zone now. What a... Here we go. Here he jumping.
spine.
And look, it hung up on the second. Beautiful. Oh, in the ladder fight. Look, that'll break you. Ooh! Harsh impact. Oh, look. This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to lose this opportunity. She comes. Oh, she got her with a reversal. Sending him over the top rope. And there's going to be more, Michael. There's going to be more. This is in the wheelhouse. Suicide now. German. Oh, nasty impact. Here's the pin. Title on the line. Here we go. A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build. Quick thinking. Oh, I think this is the beginning of the end. You got it. You look out. Not so fast. Got their opponent up. Full Nelson. Slam. That's all she wrote, fellas. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. New champion. Where is she fighting this? Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning. Here's the pin. Title on the line. When she gets in attack mode, look at the history books. And there's your winner via pinfall. I got a feeling we're going to be talking about her for a long time to come. Yeah, you can bet they're going to be talking about this match for quite some time.
Et après cette victoire de Rhea Ripley, on voit une vidéo assez mystérieuse de Karma qui semble annoncer un retour plus ou moins proche. Et tout de suite, nous aurons donc cette fameuse finale du Men's Classic 3 entre Dakota Kai et Lacey Evans. C'est parti.
The captain of Team Kick.
You know what I love about Dakota Kai is that she's such an incredibly humble competitor, but then you see her in the ring and you can't help but become a huge fan of the passion and fire she has when she competes.
As much as I hate to agree with you, Byron, you better get ready for the woman's right.
I'll tell you what, her questionable personality traits aside, Lacey Evans has had some pretty incredible victories against top NXT talent like Kairi Sane, Dakota Kai, and Candice LeRae.
Questionable? You're kidding me? Lacey Evans is everything a woman should be. She's smart, she's strong, she's beautiful. Approve.
When you have competitors on the level of these women, you just know it's going to be a great match.
It's come down to a battle of attrition right now. This might be it. Oh, my. Schoolboy out of nowhere. A schoolboy. Here we go. Easy kick out. Too soon. Oh, nasty impact. She's got her where she... And she comes.
If you're going to leave your feet, you got to make sure you're going to land the move.
something you know nothing about. Dakota is going to have to lean on her aggression to gain success.
You gotta move. I think she's trying to prove a point here. She shows signs of life.
She's showing a lot more.
Incoming.
Nice. Shut it down.
Can she keep her down? You're not going to get her that. She's got her harsh impact.
This is all but over.
Get out of her way. She ain't playing.
She is on fire.
She hits it. Dakota Kai brings everyone to their feet.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
Comes up big with the reverse.
All the way up. Oh, no.
Good. Incredible. Lacey Evans connected with a match-ending move.
Good night.
Where is regroup? She hits it. Dakota Kai brings everyone to their feet.
That's she can pick up the win here, guys.
Referee stops the count here.
Yeah, and you have to think this is not going to end well.
Dished out so far here tonight. She goes for the cover. Two! And she...
Boom! Face first.
She hits it. Dakota Kai brings everyone to their feet.
Now,
She hits it.
might be a bit of a stretch.
Now that got those shoulders on the mat. 2, 3. What a back and forth battle that was.
I don't make the matches, but if I did, I'd put these.
Et donc, victoire de Dakota Kai qui va affronter soit la championne des femmes d'NXT, soit la championne des femmes UK. Les deux femmes célèbrent jusqu'à ce que Lacey Evans attaque Dakota Kai.
DDT.
Lacey Evans s'attaque donc à Dakota Kai assez violemment, donc elle est assez frustrée d'avoir perdu, on peut le comprendre. Mais c'est pas une raison pour attaquer cette pauvre Dakota Kai. Au passage, Lacey Evans détruit également la coupe du Meum Classic 3, en balançant Dakota Kai dedans en fait. Par la suite, Dakota Kai est transportée sur une civière, mais Lacey Evans revient et continue son attaque jusqu'à ce que Candice LeRae arrive enfin pour stopper Lacey Evans. Les deux se regardent et Lacey Evans préfère alors fuir par le public. Après ce heel turn de Lacey Evans, on retrouve Rhea Ripley, la championne UK, qui dit qu'elle est la plus grande championne féminine de l'histoire de la WWE et que c'est elle qui détient le titre le plus important. Elle dit que maintenant on va la prendre au sérieux et qu'elle apparaîtra bien plus souvent du côté d'NXT et peut-être ailleurs. Le match qui va suivre est le match pour le titre des femmes d'NXT. La championne toujours et encore Bianca Belair, qui va devoir défendre sa ceinture contre 4 autres superstars féminines. Killer Kelly qui est sa pote tout simplement. Nous avons aussi Jasmina Duke et Marina Shafir qui font équipe, donc ça m'étonnerait que les deux se combattent entre elles. Et enfin Io Shirai. Il n'y a pas vraiment eu beaucoup d'histoires, mais surtout beaucoup d'attaques lors des épisodes d'NXT. Alors est-ce qu'on aura des trahisons ce soir? Est-ce qu'on aura des alliances improbables? Nous allons voir ça tout de suite.
Gear, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Oh, you're looking at the future right here. Better than everybody else, even when only doing the bare minimum.
When you talk about some of that natural athletic talent, Corey, Bianca's been exceptional her entire life. She earned all SEC and All-American honors in track and field.
Impact. Oh, nasty impact.
Plex.
striking blow.
Big elbow.
Slam.
Man, full control now.
She is on fire.
And she might have it.
What happening here?
Looks like she wants the winner.
Oh man, by the hair.
Now.
Russian leg sweep.
For the pin.
How did she kick out? She's not off her feet.
Jacket locked in.
German suplex spike.
The challenge. Well, this is find out what these
Pile driver.
The champion retains.
Will never fall. Instead of trying, they hear me roar. And now I see that I'm way better than before. I never needed you at all.
And there's your winner via pinfall.
Wow, when you pick up a pinfall victory over somebody like that, you've done something right.
Well, that was indeed a great match. And I think it's worth emphasizing how huge this victory is.
Bianca Belair conserve la ceinture NXT pour le plus grand bonheur, ou peut-être oui, le plus grand malheur de certains. Elle a fait donc le tomber sur Killer Kelly, qui est sa copine, sa pote pourtant, alors que Io Shirai allait remporter la ceinture. Juste après, Jasmine Duke et Marina Shafir s'attaquent à Bianca Belair et à Killer Kelly au passage qui n'a rien demandé. Mais Jasmine Duke et Marina Shafir n'ont pas vu Io Shirai qui est sur le coin et qui saute sur elle. La dernière femme à être debout est Io Shirai qui lève la ceinture d'NXT et puis la rebalance à Bianca Belair à terre avant de s'en aller. On retrouve Ruby Riott en interview sans le Riott Squad. On lui demande si c'est le soir, si vous voyez ce que je veux dire, hein. Je rappelle que Ruby Riott est la Miss Money in the Bank. Elle nous répond que non. Elle nous demande de l'excuser puisqu'elle doit accompagner le Riott Squad pour leur prochain match. Pour les titres par équipe, je rappelle, ils sont détenus par Bayley et Sasha Banks. Il y a quelques tensions entre les deux, puisque Bayley n'assume pas l'amour qu'elle porte à Sasha Banks, et Sasha Banks le prend très mal.
Here comes the Riot Squad.
Ruby Riott, Liv Morgan, and Sarah Logan will readily admit, listen, we're not the best of friends. We don't have a whole lot in common except for one thing, and that is to run the women's division in WWE.
Yeah, the Riot Squad's always about having a little bit of fun as well. Byron, I swear.
How big is this match for these two teams here tonight?
Well, Michael, the tag team division is white hot right now. So while a win will obviously be huge, I can tell you that a loss would be absolutely devastating. Given the competition right now, a loss tonight would be a huge setback.
Put down that remote, stay a while. As tag team action is underway.
Tag team action and all it's all about. By any means necessary, Cole. Just not enough damage. I've made it quite clear how offensive I find Bayley's hugs, but I will admit, the Bayley to belly suplex will take you right out of your boots.
It's perfect that Bayley's big move, the belly to belly. She better do something fast.
Well, I never thought you'd break free from that cover here.
Oh, Skullboy! Shoulders down here! Very. Oh, man, Sasha Banks. Oh, come on!
This could lead to a disqualification for women.
Some good technique right there.
Oh, man, she's rolling now.
What a strike. This might...
The championship is in serious.
Shoulders down. Championship on the line. You're not gonna... Comes in off the tag.
She is on fire.
Incredible. Getting closer.
Big hip toss into the cartwheel. Underneath.
She means necessary, Cole.
She's not going away. Sasha with the backstabber, flipping her over. Here it comes. Sasha with a bank statement. The bank statement.
This is all but over.
She gets it. She's clearly not getting paid by the hour.
Most of the truly great in the Hart Foundation. The rocker dropper from the Road Warriors. A team needs to have a tag team finisher and be...
Now it's Sasha Banks. The shoe might be on the other foot here.
No, it's just
This might be it.
The leader of the...
The backstabber. Sasha with the bank statement. The bank statement.
That has got to be it. But can Sasha Banks capitalize?
She somehow pairs the pin. Title on the line. Ooh, what impact. Ooh, right to the champ starting to falter a bit. You have to... Oh, here he comes.
gonna take a trip, gentlemen.
201 face breaker to challenge.
Here's the pin, title on the line. Here we go. Looking at it here. She's not going to go quietly. You got...
Nest cartwheel and knee strike. What a cut one.
Out the arm. Oh, what? Tag team championship at stake. Which team wants it more? Necker giving them up. Looking a little dazed here.
That's definitely not looking herself right now, Cole.
She's flipped the switch and the light is on.
She dodges that one. In off the tag.
Uh-oh. Big time.
Oh, and she made her tag team partner.
Big time.
Look at this. Oh, the double.
Corner. Both team members must touch. And the referee.
Nailed it. With a base.
There it is. She's saying how susceptible she is. Oh, here it comes.
She's in the driver's seat now. The night could be over.
All the way up and around the world.
Flip the switch and the light is on.
Which, boom! Shoulders down, is it enough? They did it!
Victoire du Riot Squad, enfin championne par équipe. Elles ont gagné le titre sur un roll-up sur Bayley. Voilà, Sasha Banks n'en revient pas d'avoir perdu les titres comme ça. Elle est furieuse sur Bayley. Et Bayley semble comme un enfant. On dirait qu'elle se soumet. Elle est soumise à Sasha Banks en fait. Elle a peur d'elle. Et c'est tout ce qui se passe. Il n'y a pas d'attaque, il n'y a rien pour l'instant. C'est encore assez stable tout ça. Mais nous verrons par la suite dans les aventures de Storybook. On apprend le retour de Vicky Guerrero, mais aussi celui de Kaitlyn. On ne sait pas trop où elles vont aller, qu'est-ce qu'elles vont faire, etc. Mais en tout cas, c'est officiel, elles sont de retour à la WWE dans Storybook. Une Battle Royale va avoir lieu entre 8 participantes, on ne sait pas c'est qui. Le gagnant de cette Battle Royale va affronter la championne de Raw, Shayna Baszler, qui arrête pas de trouver des excuses pour pas défendre sa ceinture, hein, les blessés, etc. à chaque fois. Alors ce qu'il faut savoir, c'est que Becky Lynch est bannie de l'événement d'Evolution 2 par King Booker, hein, le manager général de Raw. Donc la gagnante va affronter Shayna Baszler, la championne de Raw, à SummerSlam 2019.
Here comes the Queen! Charlotte has accomplished it all in such a short period of time.
quickly, Ronda Rousey and seamlessly made her transition from the world of mixed martial arts to WWE. She improves each and every time she steps in the ring.
A real natural.
Listen to this place. They're going nuts.
I don't know who's looking more forward to this.
An amazing match up to this point, guys. And from where I sit, any dominating shoulders have changed quickly at SummerSlam, though, Michael.
Element there. Ronda Rousey needs to capitalize on this opportunity. Boom, what impacts.
Charlotte with the spear.
Change the momentum of this match.
Using the T-bone. Oh, Michinoku driver.
And look at the quickness by Sane.
Escapes trouble there. Beth Phoenix's toughness.
Gentlemen, you can almost literally feel the
Vertical soup. Oh, straight. Oh, what impact. The line. And she comes up short.
Time when Ronda Rousey.
Look out.
Big boots.
Uh-oh.
Going for a power set.
This won't end well. Right.
worst bet to make.
Well, Corey for that title. Charlotte with a nice reversal.
Experience on Charlotte that night. Not to mean had her first taste of gold.
Odds for success. She doesn't want.
The setup. From behind.
Natural.
Not today. Oh. Now. No, there's the reversal. Here's Charlotte getting ready, guys.
This might be it. Oh, my.
This is all but over.
Oh, man.
The momentum shift.
Charlotte sure dodged that one. She did indeed.
I think this is the beginning of the end. With the final elimination.
What a grueling victory here in this elimination match.
Victoire donc de Ronda Rousey qui fait son gros retour, qui avait été suspendu par Stephanie McMahon parce qu'elle l'avait attaqué. Shayna Baszler, la championne, elle est là et elle félicite Ronda Rousey qui est sa pote. Je rappelle, Ronda Rousey est heel, mais une musique se fait entendre.
One of the trailblazers. With what has the makings of handicap match. Scoop slide. Oh, destroy your fear in a handicap match. Up against Braun Strowman in Fastlane. The big
Becky got the disarmer. Michael, on that night, Baszler was determined to right.
Drake Maverick est en interview, c'est le manager d'Asuka, je vous le rappelle. Et d'ailleurs, le prochain match, c'est le main event. Déjà, ce sera Asuka contre Ember Moon pour le titre de SmackDown des femmes. Ember Moon a gagné sa chance en remportant la Battle Royale à WrestleMania. Et c'est seulement maintenant qu'on apprend qu'elle avait le droit d'affronter une des deux championnes. C'est pour cela que nous avons ce match ce soir et dans le main event. Et donc Drake nous dit que Asuka va détruire Ember Moon et que Ember Moon est le plus gros échec de la WWE. Ce soir ce sera un jeu d'enfant pour Asuka. Asuka arrive alors ensuite en lui hurlant dessus en japonais. On ne comprend pas trop, mais Drake Maverick semble avoir peur de Asuka. Voilà. Les deux s'en vont donc pour le main event qui va suivre.
ever so dangerous. In one-on-one action.
reaction. This is the match I've been waiting for, guys. Ever since it was announced, I've been looking forward to seeing these two clash. Ember Moon is a joy to watch, guys.
Ember possesses one of the most devastating and breathtaking signature moves in the business, the Eclipse. Her opponents had better watch out.
Welcome, the Empress of Tomorrow.
May Asuka, one of the top competitors in the entire women's division.
A great champion at NXT. A sole survivor at Survivor Series. Watching Asuka and Ember Moon reminds me of the arrogance Asuka is capable of displaying. Feet high! Not much. You gotta believe this one's over. Hurricane Rana! Hurricane!
I mean, Asuka carries this aura of invincibility. It's a mind game as much as it is physical.
You're like a poet, Corey. Harsh impact. Talking about Asuka's intimidating. She better do something fast. And she breaks. What a stomp. Good grief. Asuka looks stunned by that. She knows she's going to have to bring
Much more punishment than this.
It's
boom. Back in there. Boom. What impact.
Asuka with a kick downstairs.
With a running hip. She reverses out of it.
and not a second too soon.
Close call there.
Look at the look in her eyes. She's in the zone now. Big back. Wow, fantastic once again. Big clips.
Asuka needs a miracle. Asuka's just getting overwhelmed.
Too close for cut. Super cut. Not needing to move. Look at Asuka. No, she gets out of it. No, she's too.
Look at Asuka. Oh my goodness. Striking from every direction.
And one to the face. She's got it now. 1, 2. She got the shoulder up. Now the arm. Oh, that's one way to bring it to her opponent. Big time. Splash. She comes up big with the reversal. Nailed it. This isn't going to end well for someone. Now look at Asuka. She gets and Corey, she releases the hold. It's like a questionable decision on paper. Asuka. Here comes Asuka. She got her in position. Asuka. What a stop. Ember Moon is getting ready. Lips. Reach him on the line. Uh-oh. The arms are hooked. Tiger suplex. She dodges that one.
And that ends her.
We know what this means. Oh, but over. It's locked in.
We could see a tap out.
It's locked in.
Looks like another victory for the champ, Michael.
Big.
Harsh impact.
Not so fast, sheep. Moon is getting ready. Uh-oh. The tide might be turning. I vote with Impact. Handstand.
Look at Asuka.
Stunning kicks by the Empress of Tomorrow.
There's no way. Here's the pin. Title on the line. Oh, how resilient was that?
one's all but over. It's locked in. The Asuka lock.
Uh-oh. That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
This is Asuka's chance.
Impressive victory for her here tonight.
Hey, she was the better woman of the two tonight. It's that simple.
The arena is still buzzing over that great match. One. Eclipse! Can't waste.
Asuka a donc conservé Clean et Ember Moon a donc empêché Ruby Riott de cacher ce soir. Ember Moon va s'expliquer puisqu'elle prend le micro en disant que c'est elle qui vaincra Asuka et personne d'autre. Elle veut ensuite serrer la main d'Asuka mais celle-ci refuse en souriant et s'en va, balançant son titre à Drake Maverick qui va le tenir. Drake Maverick qui lui sert toujours de boulet. Et le show se termine donc avec Ember Moon qui regarde s'en aller la championne de SmackDown, Asuka. Et donc les amis, j'espère que ça vous a plu. Laissez-moi en commentaire ce qui vous a plu ou pas. Laissez un petit like, partagez, parlez-en autour de vous. Abonnez-vous surtout. Donc on se retrouve bientôt là pour NXT TakeOver Toronto 2 et SummerSlam 2019. Donc je vous dis à bientôt. C'était Illumas. Peace.